Chris Straub here at Straub Technologies, and I tell everybody all the time that we're a non-denominational shop. We're non-denominational when it comes to parts. So you big block Mopar guys, we haven't forgot about you either. So this is our fuel pump push rod, made in the USA, so we don't have to worry about any tariffs or anything like that, but this is designed for any type camshaft material, whether it be a cast core, a Sadie core, 8620 steel core, or even you guys are running serious horsepower and it be an S7 tool steel. So this is centerless ground, machined from 4340 here in the United States. It has a bronze tip which goes towards the camshaft, and this will fit any of the 440, 426 engines and stuff, and is a 100% USA made fuel pump push rod for the big block Mopar, and is a must when you're talking high RPM, because we've lightened this up as much as possible so we don't have to worry about cavitating that pump when you're turning that Mopar 7,500, 8,000 RPM. So remember, big block Mopar guys, go to Straub Technologies. It's on our website. I believe the part number is 440-6426, and these are available about $40. Again, at Straub Technologies, we don't build engines, we build combinations.